Good day, dear my students. We are going on learning English online. Go ahead. Today we are going to learn Unit 12B. The topic is I have never been there. As you see from the topic, we are going to study and practice present perfect tense. I know it is not easy for non-English speakers because in one tense form there are two actions. One action is in the past and one action is in the present. So let's work with the present perfect tense. So go on. Okay, look at the plan of the lesson. The first, grammar, focusing on present perfect and past simple. Next, more irregular past participles. 3. Listening activities related to irregular past participles. So students, you will learn contrasting present perfect and past simple in a context. And you will learn using 53 irregular verbs from the English file. Why 53? You know, at the end of the English file, elementary, you have 53 irregular verbs that you should learn by heart. The next one is listening dialects and pronunciation of the irregular verbs in their conversations. You should learn to use all irregular verbs and to pronounce correctly. The last one is speaking about actions recently and in your life. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify present perfect and past simple in a context. And you'll be able to use 53 irregular verbs from the English file in your real life situations. And you should pronounce the irregular verbs in your conversations correctly. And the last one is speak about actions recently and in your life in the dialogues and conversations. The first activity in this lesson is listening. You'll listen Jess and Matt. They're talking about Jess' birthday because Jess' birthday is on Friday and Matt wants to take her to somewhere special. And the first question is, which restaurants has Jess eaten in before? And question number 2, do they agree with restaurants to go to? Listen please.
So, where are you going to take me for my birthday?
I want to take you somewhere really nice. Have you been to the Peking Duck on 24th Street?
On 24th Street? Yes, I have.
Oh, no. When did you go there?
Last month. I went with some people from work.
Okay, somewhere else. Have you ever eaten an appetito on 2nd Avenue? They make fantastic pasta.
I know. I've been there twice. But we could go there. I love Italian food.
No, listen, why don't we go back to Luigi's? We had a lovely meal last time. Do you remember? The Italian waiter sang for you. It was so romantic.
No, I don't remember.
You don't?
No, I don't remember because it wasn't me. I've never been to Luigi's.
Oh. My bad memory again.
So, who did you go there with? With your ex-girlfriend?
No, I went there with my sister. Yes, with my sister.
Now,
Your sister, huh?
the next activity is you should listen to this conversation again and do the following exercise. You can find this exercise in the English file elementary level book. Exercise C. You should look through and write down the answers to these questions. Present perfect and past simple in the context. When we have a conversation, at the beginning of our conversation we use present perfect. for the first time. For example, A. Have you been to Bishkek? I am asking about past action for the first time. B. Yes, I have. A. When did you go there? I am asking about specific past detail. When? B. I went a month ago. A month ago. It is in exact time. It is a time expression. A. Who did you meet there? I am asking, who did you meet there? Specific past detail. B. I met my old friends there. The answer is, he or she met her or his old friends there. Remember, don't use when and time expressions with present perfect tense. Present perfect tense and simple past tenses have their own keywords. For example, when we say about present perfect tense in the sentence, we should pay attention to the keywords as recently, ever, never, before. And in the simple past tense, as we said before, we should pay attention to the time expressions as last month, ago, in 2010, yesterday. A question: been or gone? I have been to Italy, city Campabassa. It is past action, but now I am here with you and I am telling about this action in present time. It means that I have visited this city in past time. Next, my son gone to Russia to work there. Now he is in Russia. He is not here with you or with me. I'll show you frames from the movie and your task is answer. What film is this? Who are the main characters? What is the film about? Do you like it? Why? Why not? Yes, this is Eclipse. You like it. The main characters are Edward and Bella. Okay, do you like it? Yes, you like. Why do you like it? What is the idea of this film? Yes, you're right. It is about family, relationships, friendship, and of course, love. Now, look at one frame from this film and write down the sentence in the film.
Sailed long ago.
This is the next frame from this movie, and you should look and write down the sentence for this frame and identify what tense is that.
I've never seen your house.
No one's ever seen the house.
Check your sentences. The first sentence, Bella said, I think that ship sailed long ago. What time is it? What tense is it? Yes, it is simple past. 2. I have never seen your house. No one has ever seen their house. What tense is it? Yes, present perfect tense. Again, look at these irregular verbs. Your task is to write down the past forms of these verbs. You know that it is important for grammatical structure of the sentences. It's time to speak. Let's speak by using the keyword of the present perfect tense recently. It means in the last few days or weeks. And ever, it means one time or in your life. Now, complete the questions. The first part of this board is for present perfect tense, present perfect questions. In a purple color, be, by, have, be. You should change these verbs in past participle. For example, been to the cinema recently? The correct answer should be, have you been to the cinema recently? And the next part of the sentences are questions or past simple question. For example, what see like it? Okay, we should do in this way. What did you see? Or did you like it? You should complete all of these questions and write down. If you complete these questions, you may use them for interviewing other people. Do you like interviewing? As a teacher, of course I like. I think that it is fun to interview other people. For example, you may interview your family members, and you should write their answers and retell me next lesson. Help them learn English too. It's fun. I think enough activities for this lesson. Now I have a big question. What do you know now? Of course, you know to use present perfect and past simple in a context correctly. Yes, by listening to dialogues and watching film frames. And you know irregular verbs and how to pronounce them in your speaking by doing exercises. And you know how to talk about actions recently and in your life by interviewing family members. And to get home assignments for this lesson, you have 3 homeworks. The first task is learn 53 irregular verbs from the English file by heart. Next, do exercises from workbook for Unit 12B. Third, interview family members and talk about it next online lesson. As usual, at the end of the lesson, I say, thank you for your attention and thank you for attending my class. See you online next time. And keep every rule of the isolation. Be healthy. Stay at home. Bye.